How to create a promo code rate plan. You can create promo code rate plans to offer special conditions to repeat guests. A promo code is a combination of letters and numbers. Guests enter promo codes in the booking engine and book a room at the discount rate plan. To create such an offer, you need firstly to create promo code, then a special rate plan. Let's start with promo code. Go to Property Settings, Promo Codes menu section. Open the List of Promo Codes tab. There, click on the plus Add Promo Codes button. In the window opened, enter the promo codes. Your promo code can be some specific word or combination of letters and numbers. You can add up to 15 promo codes at once. Select a group in which you want to include the promo code or create a group if there are no groups created. After a promo code is created, go to Room Management, Rate Plans section. You can create any rate plan or apply promo code to the existing rate. Click Create Derived Rate Plan and choose a type of rate plan. In our example, we create Best Offer. Set the conditions of the rate: a discount, additional restriction, cancellation rule, and payment methods. Click Save. After the rate is created, open this rate and go to the rate plan display on the website section. At the bottom of this page, find Promo Code settings. Choose With Promo Code option. Then, pick the promo codes in Group of Promo Codes field. You can also choose to show the rate plan in the list of rate on the booking engine or hide it so the guests will see the rate only after promo code is applied. Save the settings. Now you can distribute the promo code to the guests. For example, make emailing or add it in feedback emails. If you have extra questions, feel free to contact us. You can find our contact details in the lower left corner of your extranet, or you can also use our knowledge base.